Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the FitPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should click on the settings option down below, which is the last icon. Then you should tap on My Profile, which is the first button. Then you should add your name. If you want to modify, tap on the your name and delete it. Type in the new one, then click on the OK button. Tap on the button Gender and select it. Then you can add your birthday here. The next one is your weight, that can be selected. Then your height, your walking stride, and your running stride. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.